we put it in the microwave anyway, and I didn't even realize. And I'm sitting there on the couch with like my leg up, and I just smell something. And I just go, and I go in my head, I don't remember farting, but it smells really bad. So then I just looked at him and I said, did you fart or did I fart? And I didn't realize. And he goes, I think it's the vegetables. And he took them out of the microwave. Sure as enough, it was
thank
fucking
God.
vegetables. I was like, usually I know if I farted and it smells that bad. And he shakes it and he goes, do you think we should try it? I was like,
How was it? I would have eaten it.
for fuck's sake.
I think which one of us farted is the most senile version of Who's on First with Abbott and Costello.